Today I'm going to show you this new doorbell. So what you'll get in the box is the doorbell, protective cover, and inside are the batteries, and also some screws, some wall plugs, and you can even stick it on if you don't want to do any drilling, etc. There's a cable here if you do want it on, run it on power 24/7 if you don't want to use the batteries. The batteries are quite good actually. I've had one plugged in now for a month. Okay, so here it is. Now this one I've just set up. So there we go. We've got so it's just rang me. So you click on it, takes you straight to it. There we go. Also, it does have good sound, but if I click it now, it will be quite echoey. So, hello. And you can take a picture there, and you can record the video. It does have good night vision also. I'll just show you that actually. There we go, good night vision. So let's show you how to set it up. So what I'm going to do is just delete the device. Delete, there we go. I'll show you how to set it up. So I'm just going to reset it.
System reset.
Now please make sure you are
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
connected to the internet. So the internet's going to connect on now. And you need to download an app called UBELL, which is this one here. Click that and add a new device. And I'm going to follow what the book says, but you can do the scan code there, which is on the back of the device. But I'm going to do this one. So we know it's blinking. Click yes.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
There's my modem, and there's its password, which is on back of the modem. All the Wi-Fi cameras seem to be doing it this way now, setting it up completely different to how they used to do. So we're hoping to hear some noise. Okay, we're not. So what I'd say here is go out, go to your settings on your phone, just give it a reboot.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
So my Wi-Fi, because I'm in the garage, it's not the best. So there we go. Let's go to UBELL. There we go. So you can hear it now.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
So that's the sound you need to hear. If you don't hear that, you need to go out of the app and go to your settings.
Pairing information received.
There you go. So it's gone red. And now it's connecting. So give it a password. Any password, it doesn't matter what you give it. And select on Chinese. Now yeah, it's just showing the last image there. There we go. Perfect. And that's basically that. That's how you set that up. Easy. And just to show you it works, so there's the Wi-Fi off. Let's just pretend we're leaving and going to another country, etc. So now ideally you need to use these when you're at work. So I've got 4G on there, so it's just showing you now I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi, so that means I can leave the building. If we go to the app now, so it's just connecting. And there we go, so it's running on 4G, perfect. And that's the end of that.